Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, us too. Venmo's become a payment staple, splitting bills with friends, paying for that occasional online purchase. It's everywhere. But there's a question that lingers for new and seasoned Venmo users alike. Just how much cash can you actually load onto that account? Fear not, friends. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo limits, exploring exactly how much you can add to your account and the different ways to do it. Buckle up, because knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money on Venmo. So, how much can you load up? Well, that depends. Venmo operates with two key factors: account verification and transfer methods. Let's break it down. The unverified life, just starting out with Venmo? Don't worry, you can still send and receive money. But there's a catch. Unverified accounts have a much lower spending limit. We're talking a weekly maximum of $299.99. That might be enough for a casual coffee run with friends, but for bigger transactions, you'll need to get verified. Verification power-up. Completing the verification process is pretty straightforward, involving linking your bank account or debit card to your Venmo profile. Once you're verified, the gloves come off, well, sort of. This unlocks a significantly higher spending limit, a cool $4,999.99 per week. That's a big jump, and for most casual users, it's more than enough for everyday Venmo transactions. But wait, there's more. We haven't even talked about how you get that money into your Venmo account. Here's where those transfer methods come in. Banking on banks, a classic method, transferring money straight from your linked bank account to your Venmo balance. This is a free and convenient option, but guess what? There are limits here too. Verified users can transfer up to $10,000 per week this way. That's a hefty sum, but keep in mind it's a total limit, including any money you send out. Debit card dash, need a quick top-up? You can also add money directly from your debit card. It's another free option, but the limits are a bit tighter. Verified users can add up to $2,000 per week using a debit card. Again, this total limit factors into your overall spending. Cash for convenience. With limits, this one's a bit different. Venmo partnered with certain retailers, think convenience stores and pharmacies, where you can physically load cash onto your Venmo account using a barcode. It's a handy option if you prefer cash, but there are some additional limitations. Transaction amounts range from $20 to $500, with a maximum of 3 transactions per day, totaling $999.99, 7 transactions per week, totaling $3,000, and 20 transactions per month, totaling $4,000. Remember, these limits apply to verified accounts. Unverified accounts have significantly lower limits across all transfer methods. So, what does this all mean? Venmo offers a good balance between flexibility and security with its spending limits. For everyday transactions, the verified weekly limit of $4,999.99 should be enough for most users. However, if you're dealing with larger transactions, you might need to consider alternative payment methods or plan your Venmo usage accordingly. Pro tip: keep an eye on your Venmo spending throughout the week. The app will display your current balance and remaining spending limit. This way, you'll never be caught off guard when it's time to pay your share. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.